Good morning, standing barbell with pins. The standing barbell good morning is a great way to train your posterior chain, calves, hamstrings, glutes, spinal erectors, and more. In this variation, I'm using the safety arms in the rack. I've set them just below belly button height to act as both a target and a safety. They allow us to maintain a consistent range of motion on every rep and to give us support if something goes wrong. If your flexibility is a little more limited, you can set the pins slightly higher. The primary goal is to work within the range where you can maintain a flat back and touch the bar to the pins. To set up, place the bar on your back just like you would a back squat. Hand placement will depend on shoulder mobility. Some people will be narrow, others will need to go a little wider. Step back and set your feet somewhere between hip width and shoulder width apart, whatever feels more comfortable for you. To initiate the movement, unlock the knees with a slight bend. You want the knees soft so the hinging pattern loads the hamstrings and not so much the lower back. From here, the movement is all in the hips, baby. Keep your chest up, pull your shoulder blades back and down like you're trying to bend the bar over your shoulders, and hinge at the hips. The goal is to sit the hips back while tilting the pelvis forward into an anterior pelvic tilt. If the pelvis were a bowl of water, you're trying to tip the water from the front of the bowl. When performing good mornings, the weight underfoot will be slightly more through the heels, but still connected through the front of the foot. It's 70% in the heels and 30% in the balls of the feet. As you hinge from the hips, allow your torso to lean forward and down while maintaining a flat back. You should feel tension build through your hamstrings. Lower under control until the bar gently touches the pins. From here, drive through the hips to stand up straight. Think about pushing the floor away, squeezing your quads, and tucking your tailbone between your legs to stand up straight. That's one rep. During the movement, keep the eyes looking forward. Allow the cervical spine to extend, as this will help to engage the spinal erectors. In terms of breathing, take a deep breath at the top, brace your core, and hold the tension as you lower down. As you come back up, you can exhale and then reset at the top before your next rep. Control on the way down, strong on the way up. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.